I got a bad bitch, little thicky thought, throwing ass to them ticky tock.
So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Nissim, and as you read by the title, today again, in the last video I reviewed and told you 5 products of makeup which was below 100 rupees. So yeah, in this video also I'm doing a under budget skincare product. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So yeah, there are a total of 8 products of skincare, and I went a little high budget because those products are literally amazing and I want to share those products to you. I want to tell you about them. So yeah, that's why I included that in this video. So yeah, the first product is this is the cleanser and the toner from Jiva. It is an Ayurvedic brand or whatever. You will get all these products on Nykaa. So yeah, this is the rose petal water cleanser and toner. I got this for 68 rupees because there was a discount on Nykaa, but the MRP is 80. So yeah, if you buy from Nykaa, you will get a discount. I got it for 68. So the next product is this, the Body Care lemon face pack with lemon oil. This is also paraben free, and this is the smell is very refreshing. I know the color, but it is a face pack. So yeah, okay, so this is of 189 rupees, but here it is written 189. On Nykaa it was something 100, but on Nykaa there was a sale, so yeah, I got it for 89 rupees. And yeah, this is quite good. I applied it last night and my makeup is looking so pretty. Okay, so the next product I'm gonna talk about is again from Jiva. This is an almond cream, and I could say Jiva is my favorite brand from Ayurvedic, so Ayurveda, whatever. And here it is written MRP 79, and on Nykaa app it was also 79, but the sale was going on, so I got it for 69 rupees, and this is totally worth it for 69 rupees. It is 50 grams. So yeah, this is the face wash. This is the Himalaya Oil Clear Face Wash, blueberry flavor. So yeah, this is high budget. This is for 140 rupees, and this is my favorite face wash. Not currently, but I could say this is my favorite. My favorite, not one of the favorite, but this is my favorite. I feel so refreshing and the smell is too good. Those who like those fruity type of smell, so they will just love it. So yeah, this is very good. This is my favorite. This is for 140 and this is of Himalaya. So the next product I'm talking about is again over budget, but this is a 120 rupees, but I got it for 104. So yeah. Also, this is Himalaya sunscreen lotion. This is a 50 ml and the bottle is so cute. You can carry it everywhere, wherever you go out, and sunscreen is important. So yeah, this is, here it is written rupees 120, but on the app it was 104 and I got it for 104 rupees. So yeah, so the next product is this lip balm. This is from Blue Heaven. I removed the packaging stuff. So yeah, I will just open it and show you. This is very good. The smell is so good. It is a strawberry flavor. So yeah, this is a lip. Okay, this is a lip balm. Yeah. So it is from Blue Heaven. So the price on the Nykaa app was 80 or 85 rupees something, but because of the sale I got it for 78 rupees. And yeah, this is worth again because this smells so good. The next product is again the lip balm. This is of Himalaya. I have using it since a long time. I just love it. Instead of baby lips, I'm using this because it's just very nourishing and smell is too good. This is again of strawberry flavor and this is from Himalaya. I got this for 45 rupees. So yeah, there was no discount. So if you tell me to choose one, I will choose this one because this is also good. I'm not saying that this is not good, but as compared to this is like, and also compared with the price, this is very good. Okay, so the 8th product and the last product is this Himalaya apricot scrub, which I've been using since long because I don't know, everyone says that the apricot scrub has it's very harsh to our skin, but no, I don't find it harsh, and this fits very good to my skin and it removes my oil very अच्छे से. So yeah, this is for rupees 75, and yeah, that was it for today's video. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also press that notification bell so you will get notified whenever I will be online, and also follow my Instagram account. I will put the username over here. Also I will link it in the description. Also follow my baking account. It is my small business. Again, I will link this account niche. I will link all the products link also niche. So yeah, also you will find all these products on Nykaa, so do check it out. There are sales going on. So yeah, so don't forget to like, share and comment if you want any such type of video. Also, I know you guys have been requesting me to post a haul video, a cloth haul video. Yes, I have bought many stuffs, but like some of them are coming and आधे वाले बहुत पहले आ गए because of the lockdown. So yeah, I'm waiting them to come, then I will surely make a haul video. So bye bye, see you next Thursday, stay tuned.